Movement ahead. 2 hostiles at the corner. Copy that. Holding position, waiting for your signal. We don't have time. We move now. Stay low! Don't expose yourself! They're flanking us on the left!
So AI just changed video creation forever, and most people haven't noticed it yet. In this video, I will show you exactly how to generate cinematic AI videos in minutes using Cedance 2.0 on JXP.com. Now, JXP is not just one tool, it is a full AI creation hub. You got models for AI video generations, AI image generations, model for AI lip sync. So you can generate videos from all of these AI models you are seeing right here, which is Seedance, Google Veo, Sora 2, Video Q3, One AI, Clink AI, Helio 2.3, Latex 2, and Horsepower. Now you can generate images here with Dream, Nano Banana, Chrono Edit, and GPT Image 2. And the reason why I love using this tool is because it has everything I need. I can generate images here, I can generate AI videos here. So instead of jumping from one AI tool to another, I get everything all in one place. But for the purpose of this video, we are going to focus on Cedance 2.0 for our AI video generation. So I'm going to tap on Cedance 2.0 here. Alright, so once you tap on it, it's going to take you right here. Now over here, there are 2 ways to generate videos. You can generate videos from reference generations. So you can upload up to 12 files, up to 9 images, up to 3 videos, and up to 3 audio files. Now over here, you can see you can also generate your videos here from text to video. We are going to be using both of these features in this video. So if you scroll down here, this is where you can paste your prompts, select the model you want to use, select your resolution here, your aspect ratio here, then hit generate. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on text to video here, and I'm going to go ahead and paste in my prompt here. And just in case you want to make use of my prompt, I'm going to go ahead and leave the link to the prompt in my Telegram community. So I'm going to just go ahead and paste in my prompts right here. After pasting my prompt, I'm just going to come down here, select Cedance 2.0, and over here, this is where you can select the resolution. So we are going to leave it on 720p, and over here we are going to go ahead and select the aspect ratio, which is going to be set on 16:9. And the duration, we are going to set it to 15 seconds. So all I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on generate video. You can see it's generating right now. Alright guys, so the video has been generated, as you can see right here. The next thing we are going to do right now is to go ahead and download. So I'm going to click over here, and you can see it downloading right there. You can see video downloaded successfully. So right now, let's go ahead and play the video.
You've been acting different lately.
I didn't mean to push you away.
It feels like you're not here anymore.
I'm here. I just didn't know how to show it.
Then don't leave me guessing.
So guys, you can see the video actually looks like a live action Netflix romantic movie. It is designed to feel like real actors in real location. The lightings, the textures, and the motion all mimic real cinematography. And the biggest thing here is how realistic the scene feels. Alright, so let's go ahead and take another example. I'm going to just go ahead and paste my prompts right here. Guys, I'm going to leave all the prompts I'm using in this video in my free Telegram community, so you can go ahead and join. This is my prompt right here. I'm going to leave everything the same. Cedance 2.0, 720p, 16:9, and I'm going to leave it on 16 seconds. So I'm going to go ahead and click on generate video again, and you can see it's generating. So once again, let's go ahead and wait for the video to complete generating. Alright, so the second video has been generated, and you can see it right here. Let me go ahead and download it so we can watch it on full screen. I'm going to just go ahead and come over here, click on download again, and you can see video downloaded successful. So let's go ahead and watch.
Movement ahead. 2 hostiles at the corner. Copy that. Holding position, waiting for your signal. We don't have time. We move now. Stay low! Don't expose yourself! They're flanking us on the left!
So the focus here was realism, making it feel like a real war zone. It puts the viewer inside the battlefield instead of just watching it. The soldiers behave like real military units, staying focused, silent, and tactical under extreme pressure. Alright, so next we are going to make use of reference generation. So I'm going to go ahead and click on reference generation here. So all I'm going to do right now is to click over here and upload the assets. So the next thing I'm going to do right now is to go ahead and paste in the prompt. I'm going to scroll down here. I'm still going to select Cedance 2.0. I'm going to still leave the resolution here to 720p. The aspect ratio the same. So let's go ahead and generate. I'm going to go ahead and click on generate. So once again, let's go ahead and wait for the full video to generate. Alright guys, so the video has been generated. So once again, let's go ahead and download it. I'm going to go ahead and click on download right here. Alright, so you can see video downloaded successfully. So let's go ahead and play the video. Alright, so you can see that the video came out really nice. It follows the images and the prompts to generate this video for us. Now remember, if you want to generate your images here, you don't need to go to another platform. You can click over here and select any of these models. So for example, if I click on GPT image 2 here, for example, I'm going to paste in my prompts right here. I'm going to select the aspect ratio here, and you're going to select the resolution, the quality here. Let's just keep it at medium and keep this one right here at 2K. So I'm just going to click on generate, and you can see the image is generating here. Alright, so you can see this is the image it generated for us, and you can see how super cool this images looks. The lighting, the color, everything is top notch. Now let's try another image generation model, which is the Nano Banana 2. I'm just going to go ahead and tap on it. So over here, I'm going to go ahead and paste in my prompt. Now with this prompt, I want to generate a realistic podcast studio scene featuring two young African hosts seated across from each other at a modern podcast table. Now down here, if you have a reference image, you can go ahead and upload it right here. But in this case, we are generating it from text directly. So I'm just going to come down here, select the aspect ratio. So I'm going to select 16:9. This is where you select the output. So you can select PNG, JP, and the resolution here, they have 1K, 2K, and 4K. So I'm just going to go ahead and leave it on 1K and then click generate, and you can see it generating right here. Okay guys, so you can see the result, super realistic. So the beauty of this platform is simple. You get everything you want for your content creation in just one place. So all you need to do is just go ahead, click on download as usual, and get your image. They also have Seedance models right here. You can select and generate your images. Now this is a credit-based AI platform. So over here, if you click on your profile here, this is where you see your remaining credits here. Currently I have only 6 credits remaining. This is where you will see the credits you've used, and you see the total credits you've bought on the platform. And if you want to see their pricings, just come over here, click on pricing right here. This is where it's going to take you, and you can see here all plans include HD video download with our JXP AI video maker, and it also has 7-day refund policy, secure payment, 247 support. With just a one-time purchase, you get credit. You can use it to generate whatever you want. Alright guys, so thanks for watching so much. Please take a second to leave a like to this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out each time I drop another video just like this. And with that said, I'll see you guys in the next one.